Hidden messenger settings that nobody knows. So if you want to know the hidden messenger settings, then first you need to open up your messenger and go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now once you're here, you need to tap on the settings, which is on the top right. Under settings here, you will have username option, right? You can simply tap on the username and then you can copy the username. And once you've copied, you can send it to your friends and your friends will be able to contact you with the username. It's the easy process. That's one. Now the other one is you can just simply go with a chat, and on your chat you need to go with emojis. Under your emojis, if you press and hold on to your emoji on your messenger, then it will increase the size of the emoji. So just press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds and the emoji size will be increased. If you send it like this, then it won't increase, but if you just hold it to it, then the size will be increased. And the other one is like if you want to search a message, any message, then you don't need to just scroll all the way to the up. What you can do is just simply go with the name of the person, which is on the top, scroll down and tap on search and conversation. And here you need to just simply search for like enter the message that you would like to search, and after that it will give you all of the information right here. So that's how you can find something on your messenger without scrolling. And the other trick is you will have a secret conversation with a single person. So you can just simply go with the name again, scroll down, and here you will have an option of disappearing messages. So you can just simply tap on disappearing messages or secret conversation. And once you tap on secret conversation or disappearing messages, then you'll be able to maintain a secret conversation with that person, and the messages that you send will be disappeared after a certain time limit. And the other trick is you can just go back and go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar, and here you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and after that scroll down, and here you will find a story option. So go with privacy and safety, and under that you may have the story section. Tap on story controls, and here you need to make sure that you've turned on the option of archive stories. If you have the option of archive stories, then it will archive your messenger stories and you'll be able to see all of your stories that you've uploaded previously. So these were the 5 messenger settings that nobody knows, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.